Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa from Lisa Macram, and in today's tutorial we are learning how to make a crochet purse. So this much I done yesterday. Here it is, and I am using premium cotton for this bag. This is a purse and this is the yarn I am using, and it's from hobby store, a premium cotton. Here you can see Aran cotton yarn, mercerized cotton premium. So this is the brand I am using. It's from Magic Needles India, and the hook size is 3.5 millimeter I am using. So I already make this much, and let me teach you how you can make a crochet purse. It's a beginners friendly tutorial, so let's get started. So I am right now using this pink color wool. It's not a premium cotton, but it's a wool, and hook size is same, 3.5 millimeter, and a pair of scissors. And lastly, we are going to add a button when we are done making our purse. So let's get started. So this is the canvas bag, and I'm going to make a medium size normal purse crochet. So this is the chain, and we are not going to take chain 48, but if you want to make this big size, you take chain 48. So we are going to take chain. This is the chain 42 I am taking for the medium size. For the big size you can take chain 48. Okay, so that's clear. So this is the chain 42. Now we are going to start from the next chain and going to do the single crochet all the way around till we reach here at this point. So we are going to start from the next chain we have here, insert your crochet hook and make a single crochet. Make a single crochet in each chain. So we are going to make single crochets from here to all the way here. Okay, this is the last single crochet in the last chain, and then we are going to make a chain one, then flip the piece. Now we are going to working in the back side. Now after making chain one, we are going to yarn over and insert our crochet hook on the first chain here. Let me give you the close-up look. This is a double crochet we are making, and we are going to keep making double crochets from the second row. Again, yarn over, insert your crochet hook on the next chain and make double crochet. So in these chains we are going to make the double crochets. So we are keep repeating this process from here to all the way this side. So after reaching here, let's make a last two double crochets. This is the last double crochet of this row, and now we are going to make chain one, then again flip the piece, flip the piece to the right side, and again yarn over, insert your crochet hook on the first chain, then make double crochet. So this is the pattern we are going to use for our crochet purse. So this is the same pattern I am using for the black piece. Now we are going to repeating this process just all the way around. Many rounds we are going to make. Just double crochet, do not do any increase or decrease. Just make line by line steps. So this is our bag, medium size canvas bag, and this much is complete. After making 18 rows, our work is complete, and this is the bag. We are supposed to join it in here. As we are saying, we are going to join it like this way here, but we also join the patch, the crochet patch, like this way. Both way we are going to use our patch is according to your wish, how you are going to add your patch or join it to your bag. So this time I'm going to join it like this, but I also can join like this way. So for this way, our sizes are perfect with the edge here, and then we are going to fold it in here, so a bit shorter, as you can see. So we are now going to make some rows with the square. So as we are going to join our patch like this way, so we are going to make from all the way around single crochet. So we are going to do single crochet after making 18 rows. So after making 18 rows, we are going to make single crochet. There are no particular, chains here, so we are going to as you can see, it's look perfect, and when it's gonna look like this is not the perfect. So we are going to make this from here to here. After making single crochets from here to here, now we are going to make a round again, go all the way around until you reach here again at this point. So we are starting from here, so we are gonna go all the way square again to here. So after making single crochet all the way around and ending it in here, so we are going to make again double crochets in this part only. So after making the last single crochet, now we are going to do a slip knot in here, and then we are going to make chain 1 and chain 2. After making chain 1 and chain 2, we are going to turn it over and going to insert our crochet hook and make double crochet, and in each chain we are going to make double crochet. As we are making in this part, as you can see, the double crochets go to this side, but we are going to making to this side, like here in this part we are going to make. So we are going to make double crochets from here to here. So here it is after making the double crochets from here to here, and lastly here I make the double crochet and the half double crochet here. Let me show you. So this is the last double crochet I make, then I make half double crochet in the last chain. After making this half double crochet, we are going to make a slip knot like this. I'm going to cut the extra yarn. And pull it out. After pulling it out, again you pull through from the back side, again pull through from this side. So this is done, and this is where we are going to attach our patch here like this, and then we are going to join it in here like this way. As it become shorter, we are going to make one more line in here. The double crochets, we are going to make one in this side and one to the other side here. So again, take the color, make a slip knot, and insert a crochet hook here, and let's make double crochets again. So for that we are going to make chain 1 and chain 1. We are only going to make chain 1, then yarn over and insert a crochet hook in the same space and make double crochet. This is the first double crochet, insert a crochet hook on the next chain and make another double crochet. So we are going to make double crochets in each chain till we reach here. So after making the double crochets, now lastly we are going to make half double crochet here. I'm going to make a slip stitch and I'm going to cut the extra yarn, maybe a little long. We are going to cut this much long, cut and pull it out. Again we are going to pull it out, and for this side use a needle to sew the cutout. After sewing all the cutouts we have on the sides, use a needle. I am using this needle to sew my cutouts, and the long cutout is here. We are not going to sew this. Now we are going to take this inner lining and then going to sew it up from here, this side, to all the way to the back side, means this one here. So let's sew it up. So for sewing I'm using this polyester thread, and for sewing I'm going to use this needle here. So who didn't want to use needle, you can use machine. If you want to use machine, you can use it properly from here to here. And for the side part we are going to use this yarn and here to here. Okay, so first of all we are going to sew with the needle from here to here. We're going to sew it up. We are going to use normal stitching for sewing, so let's sew it properly from here to here. After sewing this part here with the needle and the side, I sew with the cutout, the long cutout yarn with this part here, and this part we are going to sew it from here to here, and then again sew the side part with a cutout. So first we are going to sew this side, and this time I'm going to show you how you can sew it perfectly, like this one here. And this part is already showed with the yarn. This is the pink yarn that I'm using for sewing. So let's sew this part. Before we sew this part, we are going to sew this part here with a yarn. So I am taking this needle here, and after putting the yarn in this needle, now let's make 2 knots in the end. Now let's sew it. First we are going to sew it from here. From inside we are going to put it like this. And then we are gonna go to the other side. To this side. You have to pull it very tight when it's come to this part here. Very tight. Again, put it this side and sew it very tight. So as you can see, it is fully covered by this pink area. Now we are going to make one by one from this side, and then we use the other side, then again from this side. So this is how we are going to sew from here to here. Repeat the same process from all the way here, and this is the ending. This is the last chain we are going to sew. After sewing all the way around, it's gonna look like this, And then we are going to sew this part here with the pink yarn. And for those who didn't want to sew, you can use the glue gun from here to here. Just, you know, push it tight and you have the perfect finish. So now we are going to do is going to insert it here, then we are going to pull it from here. After making it, now let's cut the extra yarn. And our purse is almost ready and it's complete. Now we are going to sew this part, like how we sew this here with the needle. We're going to sew this one here. So this is the complete look after sewing this side and this side here, and this is the inside. You can carry your phones, lipsticks, etc. And I have these flowers and I'm going to stick it in here. If you have anything like this, you can stick on your own by using the glue gun, and let's stick these two flowers by using the glue gun, and the final product will be ready. To add this flower here instead of this one. So this is the final look. This is the complete look. You can carry your phones, lipstick, handkerchiefs, and other things you want to carry, money, etc. So this is the final look. So let me know what do you guys think about this crochet purse flower tutorial. And this is the inside. Let me give you last tutorial of this bag, what you can carry. So this is the final product. Let me know what do you guys think. Hope you guys liked it, like this tutorial today. And this is the final product. I hope you guys like this tutorial today, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. So see you on my next tutorial. Till then, bye bye and be safe and keep creating, everyone. Bye.